Nirguna Academy. So in this video we'll discuss about numerical sections of motion chapter. In previous video we discussed about numericals of this chapter. Okay, for that you can search in our playlist. You will get all videos of this chapter. Okay, today we discussing another numericals of this chapter. So the numerical is here. A car is exerting or accelerates uniformly. A car is moving uniformly, right? From 18 km to 36 km. So it is the car is accelerating from 18 km to 36 km within 5 seconds. Means that speed is from 18 to 36. It will be moving very fast within 5 seconds. Means it will require only 5 seconds to accelerate the speed from 18 km to 36 km. Then we have to calculate what is the acceleration and what is the distance covered by that car within 5 seconds. Okay, solution. Right? Okay, solution. So here, first here 18 km to 36 km there is correct. So our initial velocity will come here 18 km per hour. Correct? 18 km per hour. And so here is 18 km is what kilometer is there. You have to convert in meter, right? So here 18 into here 1 kilometer is equal to 1 kilometer. 1 kilometer is equal to how much meter means you can write here 1000 meter. Correct? 1 hour is equal to what? 360 minute is there. Each minute having 60 seconds. It will be what? 3600 seconds is there. Right? 1 kilometer is equal to how much? 1000. So it will be converted into meter. And 1 hour is equal to how much seconds? 60 minutes. Each minute contain how many seconds? 60 seconds. It will be the 3600. Here 20, here 20 will be cancelled. Here what? 180 by 36. Correct? Here 18 into 10, here 180 divided by 36 as it is. You can divide here 36 into 180 by 5. So how much? 36 into 5. 6 5s are 30, 3 carry, 5 3s are 15, 15 plus 3, 80. So 180. So sorry, 180. So what is the value here? 36 5s are 180. So answer will be here. How much? Initial velocity will be. Initial velocity becomes now what? 5 meter per second. Right? Next, what about the final velocity? Again 36 km is then 36 km per hour. Right? Same you have to convert 36. It should be multiplied with what? 1000. It should be converted into meter. And time is how much? 1 hour means 3600 seconds. Here 20 cancel. Here 20 will be cancelled. 36 will be cancelled. What is remaining here? 10. So it is the final velocity. So meter per second, meter per second. Right? So next. So next you have to find out what acceleration. First you have to find acceleration. Acceleration formula is what? Acceleration final velocity minus initial velocity divided by time. Correct? So here again time what is given here? Time how many seconds? 5 seconds. Time is equal to how much? Time is equal to 5 seconds. 5 seconds. Time is 5 seconds. So here final velocity how much? 10. Initial velocity how much? 5. Divided by time is how much? 5 seconds. Correct? Acceleration. 10 minus 5 how much? 5. 5 by 5 is equal to acceleration is equal to what? Meter per second square. Okay, so acceleration will be what? 5. So final velocity is 10. Initial velocity 5. Time is how much? Time is 5 seconds. Final acceleration 10 meter per second. And velocity is initial velocity 5 meter per second. So it will be cancelled. This what will be acceleration? 1 meter per second square. Correct? Okay, next what you have to find a distance. So distance formula is what? S is equal to ut plus half at square. This is the distance formula. Here S is a distance, u is a initial velocity, t is a time, plus half a is acceleration, t is what? Again time. Substitute the value. Initial velocity is how much? 5 is there. Again time is what? Again 5 seconds plus 1 by 2. Here a is what? A is acceleration is what? 1. Correct? A is 1 and time is what? 5 square. correct? 5 into 5 how much is 25 is there, plus 1 by 2 as it is, 1 into 1 as it is, 5 square is how much? 20. Correct? Okay. Next here 2 ones are 2 ones are, correct? Again 2 twos are 4, 1 will carry here and it will be, it will take point, it will become so what 10, so 2 5s are 10, right? Is there 25 plus again 1 into 1, 1 into 12.5, correct? Here 25 means 1 into 12.5, 12.5 only, so it will be what 37.5 meter. So this is the answer of our question. So what is the initial acceleration 5 meter per second, and what is the final acceleration? That is the final velocity 10 meter per second, time is 5 seconds, and acceleration is what we got here 1 meter per second square, and total distance how much is towards 37.5 meters. So this is about our numerical section of this chapter. So in next class again we will discuss next numericals of this chapter. So if you are liking our videos, means please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you.